Hello, people of the world. This is a Rayman figure that I made by myself, and it's supposed to be a helicopter one, as you can see. I made it out of a fan. I have to admit, it's not really one of the greatest toys in Earth, but it does look pretty cool if you just do that. Yeah, I did bend a paper clip to make that on. I used some plasticine, I made detail on it. I made a hoodie, so basically this is his Rayman 3 look. Well, this was quite short. Yeah, I don't know what to say now. See you guys later. Actually, I might post another video tomorrow or next week, I'm not sure. Bye.